Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I remain Timothy for those ones who are new. Just to remind you that for the past few weeks I've been talking about some of the basic ICT skills. Like for example, in my last video I talked about how to make report card using Microsoft Excel, and we enjoyed it because we had some pretty steps that we have talked about. So today we are going to talk about some of the commonest errors you may encounter when dealing with Excel, and we're going to also talk about how to tackle those errors. So let's dive together and we see. So our first error is about hash. This one here is like a column width error. This one is not actually a technical error, but it happens. Here what happens is you will find out that the content you have may not be contained in a given column, and like for example it may pass to the next column. And to do this is just simple. You go to that particular column where you like to place your content, and you increase the width of the column. Like for example, let me show here. So here you increase the width like this. So it will make your content to be contained in that particular column. That is how you deal with this error. Yes, so our next error is going to be about hash div.
I like those bits.
Divide by 0. This is division by 0 error. It happens more commonly when you have a cell
when I was little,
that does not contain anything.
Teenager,
Or
probably
when you have 0 and you like to multiply.
The meaning of perfect to me is being different.
Let's say you like to multiply that column, and you have selected the first cell, and the second cell which you would like to include in your division is containing 0. So that's going to bring for you division by 0 error. And how can you tackle this? You can easily tackle this by using if error in your Excel. That's the first method. And the second method is like if a cell is having nothing, you just need to go manually and check why it is not having that. And then if it's supposed to have a certain content, you need to enter that content. And by doing that, you will have finished dealing with the division by 0 error. So let's go to our third error, which is hash value. Hash value is an invalid data type error. It happens when a particular formula you are using contains wrong argument. Like for example, you want to use a number, but at the same time the function has text. Text numbers shall not bring for you the recommended result. And for that case, it will be an error. And for you to deal with this error is by simply using the function value. You open the bracket, you enter whatever you want, and you close the bracket. By entering that, you will have finished dealing with the error. So you just go to where you want to do the thing. Like for example, I have average here. I want to do average. And let's say I've made an error of entering the text where it's supposed to be actually a number. And for that case, I'll come and deal with it, write my value, which here in the text varies automatically. You write the value, you open the bracket, you enter your data, you close the bracket, then it will solve for you. It will correct for you the mistake you have made. And there you're good to go. Okay, let's go to the fourth error. It is hash name error. It is an unrecognized formula or range name. What happens here is Excel does not recognize text. Especially when you have used missing quotations for the mark of the text. So it won't be recognized. one you can simply go to your formula and you check where the problem is. Go to your formula and you check where the problem is, especially the spelling error. You just need to go and check the spelling error. Perhaps the error you have made is during enter the frame. So by doing that, you have dealt with this error. And also make sure the names you have selected in your given range all exist. Otherwise, it won't bring for you whatever you need. So those are the two ways you can deal with this particular error. I repeat, you need to go and check the spelling error of the names you have selected, check all the text you have selected. And then secondly, you just need to go and check whether all the ranges you have, all the data you want is existing. So this error will be what? Corrected. We go to our fifth error, which is talking about num, and that is a number error. How does it happen? This one happens when you have entered a number, which is large or too small to be recognized by Excel. For example, is when you want to make a square root of a negative value. Definitely that is not going to happen in Excel. You probably you just go to check the value of the items you have entered for validity. You want to make sure that they are valid. Like I said, you cannot make a square root of what? Of a negative number in Excel. You want to do such a number is an error. So before you take all the values are valid. That is the first thing you need to do. And also you need to make sure you check you are not doing any operation that is invalid. For example, you are dividing like let's say 0 by the second given number. It will not be shown in Excel. So it's just a matter of checking for the validity of the values you have entered, and at the same time you need to make sure that you are not dealing with an operation that is invalid in Excel. Alright, so now this is an intersection error. How does it happen? It happens slowly. In Excel, like when you look at the first one, you are able to select the second one. So after selecting this ranges, you may select the following, putting a note intersect. Second column, putting a note intersect in your formula that you want to use for calculation. So that is where this error happens. And how do you go about with it? You do the following. So you do the following. Like if you have selected this cells here to give for you a range, what you need to do is you need to make sure you use a very good a valid formula. And also, like for example, if you want to do summation here, of course, like all you want to multiply here, you need to know is you are going to use comma because you have selected many. But if you want to use a space, for example, now our cell here, which is here, is this cell C3. So you put C3 and then you put space and you go to D3 space E3. It will not solve for you the problem. What you need to do is you use comma at this particular point so that the error that you have made can be corrected. So there are very many errors we actually make during Excel, and the ones I've shown for you here are not the only errors. So as we continue with these tutorials on computer, basic skills. We are going to learn more about some of those ones which I've not included here. Thanks so much for giving in your time. Thanks so much for sharing. Thanks for the subscription. Please continue sharing these tutorial videos to your loved ones. It will benefit them a lot, and at the same time I will be very happy. If there are any things you would like me to know, please put under the comment section, like the videos, and we shall have more things. I think the next thing I will have will be about Google, so don't miss that out. See me in the next coming video. Thanks so much.